Imagine you have a very obedient, very literal-minded friend. This friend can do anything you ask, but there's a catch. You must give them instructions in a language they understand perfectly. Programming is exactly this. It's the art of writing a set of instructions for a computer to follow. Think of it less as complex science and more as a structured conversation. The smartphone in your pocket, the website where you watch videos, and even traffic lights are all powered by these instructions. Learning to program gives you the ability to understand this modern world on a deeper level. It's not just for building the next big tech company, it's a tool for problem solving. To start writing our instructions, we need a way to hold on to information. In programming, we use something called a variable, like a labeled box where you can store data. You can give the box a name, like username or score, and put something inside it, like the name Alice or the number 100. You can change what's inside whenever you need to. Input is how a program receives data from a user. When a website asks you to type in your name, that's an input operation. Your program is waiting for you to provide information. Output is how your program communicates back to you. This completes the communication loop. The user provides input, the program processes it, and delivers output. Life is full of decisions. If it's raining, you take an umbrella. Computers also need to make decisions, and they do this using something called an if statement. Imagine a video game that checks a player's score. The logic could be, if the player's score is greater than 1,000, then display "you win." This simple check allows the game to react differently. We can make decisions more powerful with if-else statements. It's like saying, if it's raining, take an umbrella, else wear sunglasses. This ability to make choices elevates a program from a simple script to a complex dynamic system. Almost every piece of software is filled with thousands of if statements. Imagine writing, take one step forward 100 times. It would be tedious and repetitive. Programmers have an elegant solution, a loop. A loop allows you to execute code multiple times without writing it out each time. You tell the computer what action to perform and how many times to repeat it. Say you want to greet 10 friends. With a loop, you write one instruction. For each name in my list, print hello followed by that name. The loop does the repetitive work for you. Loops allow computers to perform large-scale tasks impossible for humans, from processing millions of data points to rendering animated movies. They embody the principle of do more with less. These concepts, talking to computers, storing information, making decisions, and repeating actions, are essential tools for our digital world. Programming is literacy for the 21st century. Understanding how software works empowers you to be a creator, not just a consumer of technology. It demystifies the devices we use every day. Anyone can start learning. You don't need expensive equipment, just a computer and internet connection. There are countless free resources available online. Start with a beginner-friendly language like Python. Write a simple program that prints your name, then make it interactive. Each small victory builds confidence. Programming skills open opportunities in virtually every field. Scientists analyze data, artists create generative art, and business owners automate tasks. Start today. Find a 5-minute tutorial, write your first line of code, and see where this conversation with your computer takes you. You're taking the first step on a path of limitless possibility.